Hey everyone, Billy Folks here with MarineMax Houston. Today I wanted to show you a 2020 250 SLX by Sea Ray Boats. First thing I'm going to point out is something in the back. You can't really see it right now, but there is a submersible swim platform back there. So with the push of a button, it's going to lower the motor down, extend the swim platform out so you have a nice place to put your feet on. Makes it easier to get in and out of the boat and everything like that. Next thing I'll point out is we do have sea deck throughout this boat. In addition to it being on the swim platform back there, it is gray throughout the boat. Next thing is this is the new stone gray color, 2020 model year, available from Sea Ray. This sun platform back here is a nice place to lounge out and relax and everything. Plenty of cup holders throughout the boat, but it does something else. It actually has this backrest that pops up, gives you a nice little backrest and everything like that. So, but when you don't want to use it, it folds down out of the way nice and neat. In addition, back here we also have a head unit remote and a wash down right there. Throughout the boat, there's going to be plenty of storage. There's this built-in cooler right here that is self-draining. Moving into the boat, plenty of room to entertain throughout. So right down here, we do have your base for your table. So that table base slides in there and tabletop right on top. It's nice and cozy. Everyone can congregate around it and just enjoy the time out on the water. Right down here, we do have a removable cooler with designated storage. So you can go ahead and fill that up at the house and just walk it down to the dock nice and easy. Moving forward, we do have the twin Simrad displays. These are 12-inch displays, very nice seamless dash right here. We have your Fusion Apollo head unit, all your switches at arm's reach, including your trim tabs right here. The motor in this boat actually is a 350 horsepower Mercury 6.2 liter. And it's powered by the Bravo 3 outdrive as well. The hatch is actually one of the unique features. Is it's a power hatch, so you push a button and it's going to lift that entire hatch up. That's the thing about the SLX line. There's a lot of upgraded options, from the swim step in the back, the power hatch, then to the power bimini. So this tower actually folds down with a push of a button, which is really good for storage or if you need to get under certain bridges, things like that. One of the other unique features about the SLX line is the curved windshield. Very nice, it's seamless, so you can see right out of the corner instead of having a windshield brace blocking your view right there. Moving over, we did option this boat with the upgraded head. It's a vacuum flush toilet, which goes in a holding tank, and you can have that pumped out whenever you go to the marina. Again, plenty of storage in this boat on the sides over here, cup holders everywhere throughout. And you have a lockable glove box. Moving to the front of the boat, plenty of room up there in the sun pad area. We did option this boat with the bow filler cushion, which is removable, so if you wanted to take that out and relax up here, you can definitely do that. Another cool feature on this boat I want to show you guys is the amount of storage under the helm. We have our shoes in here right now, so please disregard those, but you can fit almost all your safety equipment and more down there. It's really nice. Moving even more forward, we have the windlass anchor setup. Stainless steel anchor. You just release this, you'll push the button at the helm, and it's going to lower down, anchor you in place. You guys, this is Billy Folks with MarineMax Houston. We're out on this water today. It's really nice out here. Come by and see us sometime soon. We'd love to show you the boats in person.